You've got frightened animals, you have traumatized military veterans with PTSD, and air pollution. The list of complaints goes on, and it's something that one Phoenix City Councilwoman and probably several officials hear about daily. A view from a central Phoenix neighborhood on Christmas Eve. Aerial fireworks like this are illegal by consumers without a permit. Then there's this wider view of the Phoenix Valley on New Year's Day. Hazy with leftover fireworks and fireplace smoke.
We'll hear just the loud booms. I mean, it'll be enough to rattle our windows.
Getting an earful about the illegal fireworks in neighborhoods is District 3 Phoenix City Councilwoman Deborah Stark.
Every year we get complaints. I'm sure every other district gets complaints. I think this year was probably a little worse because of COVID.
This petition is circling on change.org to ban fireworks in the state. Stark says she hopes it goes somewhere, but it's the Arizona State Legislature that will have to make changes to the current law, not the city.
We've done everything we can do in our ordinance, but it's very difficult to enforce. By the time someone calls the police and they arrive, the fireworks are gone. And so it's just very problematic for us. We do our best, but I do really think the state needs to look at it and perhaps look at a statewide ban.
Stark is talking to state legislators who she says are getting the same complaints from residents about illegal fireworks. She says they may be willing to act this year. For more information on fireworks, head to fox10phoenix.com. I'm Linda Williams, Fox 10 News.